Hello friends, my name is Professor Prabhanjan Bhagat and we are learning the effects of electric current. In previous lecture, we have learned about Oersted experiment. Oersted established the relation between electricity and magnetism. For that he had made some experiment, and after that experiments he noticed that the magnetic field is created around a current carrying conductor. That is, in short, every current carrying conductor behaves like magnet known as electromagnet. In this chapter, today we are going to see the magnetic field produced around the conductor. For that, some experimental setup is to be done. The current carrying conductor is to be passed through a cardboard, and that conductor is connected to the battery, which can be seen in this diagram. For controlling of the current, the variable resistance is arranged. For measurement of current, the ammeter is used, and for switch on and off the supply, the key is applied. For the sense of magnetic lines, the magnetic compass needle is kept near the current carrying conductor. For better understanding of this experiment, we shall go through this video. Take a flat cardboard and cover it with a white paper. Then make a hole at middle of a board and pass a thick copper wire. Connect the end of that copper wire to the dry cell as an energy source. Current is flowing through the circuit now. Then plot magnetic lines with the help of magnetic needle compass. It is observed that the lines of forces are in the form of concentric circles. Here, the direction of lines are clockwise. If we reverse the direction, the lines will be in anti-clockwise sense. As well as, if the strength of current is increased, the number of magnetic lines get increases. From this experiment, the following observations can be obtained. That is, as the current flows through the conductor, magnetic field is produced around it in the form of concentric circles. Then the sense of the magnetic field is depends on the direction of current, and if a current through wire is increased, the intensity of the magnetic field increases. Now, the orientation of magnetic field depends on direction of current. This statement we have seen in last experiment. Then, for the understanding and determination of the sense of magnetic field, there should be an arrangement. The direction of magnetic field produced by a current flowing through a conductor can be easily determined by right hand thumb rule. For that, for understanding of that thumb rule, we will see the next video. In this, we can see the conductor, the straight conductor, which is supposed to be connected to the electrical source, which is not shown in this experiment. Then hold that conductor in your right hand such that the straight thumb indicates the direction of current. Then curled finger will indicate the direction or orientation of magnetic field which is produced around it. Thank you.